Hi, I'm Shane with another Dekiru English Academy slideshow. Bum bum bum. Let's go with another episode of Don't Confuse These Words. Today's words, don't confuse lightning and thunder. This is easy. Lightning is lightning. It's the white electricity, the bolts of electricity coming from the sky. It's very beautiful, but very dangerous. That's lightning. Thunder? That's the noise. Oh, that's good sound effect. Okay, that's the thunder. Thunder is just the noise. Very easy. One more time. Lightning is the bolt, and thunder is the sound. To use them in sentences, for example, you can say, there is a lot of lightning today. Or, lightning is all around us. Be careful. It's scary out there. The thunder is very loud. Or, oh, the thunder is scaring my poor dog. He's under the bed. Oh, it's scaring me too. The thunder is scary. Okay, so very easy. Lightning and thunder. I should work on that. Okay, so this is another short and easy lesson for you from Dekiru English Academy. I'm Shane. I'll see you next time. Boop, 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 boo. I need to decide which theme song to use. Okay, goodbye.